If you're using affiliate links in your blog, your emails, or on social media, you hopefully know that you need an affiliate disclosure. But what does that actually mean? Not what influencers say, not what someone in a Facebook group told you, but what actually matters when it comes to affiliate disclosures and what does the Federal Trade Commission require? So, hi, I'm Liz Stapleton, an attorney turned online business owner, and I help bloggers, creators, course creators, and digital product sellers legally protect their online businesses without the overwhelm. So, first things first, affiliate disclosures are about transparency. If you receive compensation, whether that's commission from a sale, if it's a free product, if it's store credit, a discount, any financial incentive, or even just a barter situation, you need to clearly disclose that relationship. This isn't about apologizing, it's about letting your audience know that if you click this link and buy, I may get a commission, or this review, I got something out of it. Affiliate disclosures are rooted in the Federal Trade Commission guidance around endorsements and advertising transparency. If there's some financial relationship, your audience deserves to know. And a lot of people actually do get disclosures wrong. They'll put it in their footer and think that's enough. Unfortunately, disclosures need to be clear and conspicuous and actually near the relevant link itself. Maybe you think, well, everyone knows bloggers use affiliate links. That's not actually true, right? Your grandma may not understand. There's a lot of people that aren't super savvy on the internet. It's just the way it is. And the standard isn't whether your industry knows. It's whether a reasonable consumer would understand there's a financial relationship. Another, mistake I see people make is, they do hashtag affiliate buried in hashtags and they think that's fine. Unfortunately, disclosures need to be easy to notice and understand. So burying that like hashtag disclosure with all the other hashtags isn't going to work. And disclosures apply anywhere affiliate links appear. Okay, I see a lot of people get it right for their blog, but then do disclosures incorrectly in emails or on social media or YouTube videos, whatever the case may be. Even if it's just a small commission, it matters. Compensation size doesn't change the need for disclosure. Affiliate disclosures aren't about how much you earn, they're about whether you earn or whether there is some sort of financial relationship. So, let's talk about the actual language of the disclosures because this is the other big mistake I see a lot of people make. So, you want to avoid vague language like this may contain affiliate links, right? We've all seen those at the top of a blog post. And the problem with that is not everyone understands the term affiliate link. You may not have known about it until you started diving into this whole online business world, right? So you want to be direct. If you're going to use a term like affiliate links, which is very much an industry term, you need to explain what it means. So, for example, it could be this post contains affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a commission at no cost to you. That is a very clear disclosure, is very easily understood. Okay? Placement also matters. So you want it to be near the affiliate link. It should be before the link. So for blog posts, typically people automate having it at the top of the blog post, which is a great way to kind of make sure you don't forget it. But one of the biggest mistakes I see is in emails, an affiliate disclosure is listed at the bottom of the email after the link. And the problem with that is they won't necessarily see it before they click away on the link. So you don't want to bury disclosures below a link. It's not compliant if you do. And then same thing with captions on social media. So you always want to kind of start with the disclosure before the link. So just keep that in mind. And on social media where like character counts can be limited, there are a lot of different ways you can disclose without, that big long phrase I use that I would do for like a blog post or an email. You could do hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored, hashtag, partner link or referral link. Those are terms people tend to understand more than affiliate link, depending on your industry. If all you do is you blog about affiliate marketing, pretty much everyone in your audience should know what that means, right? But for most of us, affiliate marketing is something we do. We're not just blogging or writing or creating content around affiliate marketing itself. So keep that in mind. And there's platform specific visibility, right? So social posts need to include it clearly in the caption. Video content should include it both in a visible and verbal way. So that could mean speaking it out before you give the URL, if you're going to actually say the URL. If you're not saying the URL out loud, if the URL is just down below, you can just include the disclosure below. Anywhere you're mentioning the affiliate link, you need to disclose, and the disclosure needs to come first. Affiliate marketing isn't just a blog or website thing anymore. Okay. It now shows up in email funnels, automated sequences, Pinterest pins, short form videos, PDFs, product comparison pages, and even AI assisted content. And if affiliate links are part of your monetization strategy, your disclosure strategy needs to follow your links. So as your platforms expand, make sure your disclosures are following your links. Okay. Just like your privacy policy, this isn't one and done. If you are creating content in other places, you need to make sure you're including the necessary disclosures as well. Again, I don't want you to panic about this. I just want you to keep in mind that your affiliate disclosures need to be before the link, be clear and easy to understand, and realize that this is about maintaining trust with your audience, protecting your brand credibility, and aligning with the advertising transparency standards that are required. When your disclosures are clear, your audience can better trust you, your recommendations feel more professional, and your business is more obviously established. Transparency builds authority. Now, if you're not sure whether your business is missing something important, I created a free guide walking through the 5 most common legal blind spots online entrepreneurs oftentimes overlook, and you can grab that at a link below. Again, affiliate marketing is a great, legitimate business model, but you have to be transparent. You need to be following FTC rules, and you shouldn't be using complicated legal language or trying to hide your disclosures somewhere where they won't be seen. It's about being clear about your financial relationships so you can grow confidently knowing you're not putting that income at risk of FTC fines or other potential legal issues. I'll see you in the next video.